12:25. Thanks for staying with us here on Channel 5 News at noon. Well, look at these temperatures across the state of Texas. Now, we're not warm by any means, but technically we're a warmer spot. Notice all the 30s in the north and to the west. And the interesting thing is our winds are out of the north-northwest, so these temperatures that are colder here and where we're seeing that rain-snow mix, those colder temperatures are going to come in here this evening and during the overnight hours, and that means that that rain-snow mix, it's headed this way too. All right, so let's start at 1 o'clock this afternoon, still just isolated showers. But in between here, there's going to be quite a bit of drizzle still and misty conditions. However, as we get into the later afternoon, the rain that's mainly up to our north will be coming in here. And we're going to have scattered showers as we get into the afternoon and into the evening hours. Still all rain at 9 o'clock. Now, starting at midnight, this is it. This is when that rain is going to begin to transition to snow. Not for everyone, though. I don't want you to get your hopes up. If you're going to be in McAllen at midnight looking for the snow, you're probably not going to see it. The only place where it's going to be seeing some snow is going to be up in northern Starr County, maybe northern Hidalgo County. As we get later into the night, though, here we are at 3 a.m., that's when that rain-snow mix starts to spread farther to the south and east. You'll still be waiting on it in Brownsville, but maybe in Edinburgh, McAllen, starting to see some flakes of snow. The general rule is because this transition to snow is going to start later for folks to the south and east, the chance of seeing snow, the more widespread snow, if you want to call it widespread snow, will be to the north and west. To the south and east, the chance of seeing snow is going to be smaller, and you may only be talking about a few flakes of snow, or if you're out on the coast, maybe not any snow at all, and it'll stay just rain. Other thing I want to emphasize, and this is important, for most, there's going to be no accumulation. You may see the snow falling, but when it hits the ground, it's going to melt because temperatures are staying above freezing. One exception might be northern Hidalgo County, northern Starr County, where that snow starts. That's where the temperatures will be the coldest, still above freezing, but maybe on some grassy surfaces, lawn furniture, cars, maybe a quick coating up to an inch, maybe, but no accumulation on the roads. And for most, you're not going to see any accumulation at all. Now, by 9 a.m., it's too warm for any snow. It'll just be scattered rain showers. Now, I think one thing the model may not be showing here is some isolated rain showers early afternoon in the lower valley. That's a possibility. But then, as we get in the later afternoon, the clouds are going to be breaking up. We're finally going to see the sun again. It'll be a welcome sight. Partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. And we won't be warming up all that much, though. It's still going to be a chilly day tomorrow. Temperatures today, 46 degrees, and that's it. That's as warm as we're going to get. And feels like temperatures are going to be well below that. Because of those gusts up to 35 miles per hour, feels like temperatures the rest of the day in the upper 30s. Those scattered showers are going to be there. Still scattered rain showers early this evening, but after midnight, that's when we're talking about that rain-snow mix. It's also going to be very cold. Temperatures in the mid-30s. You factor in the wind, though. Gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Yeah, that means that feels like temperatures are going to be in the mid to low 20s. So that's the other thing. Besides talking about snow, it's going to be the cold and how you're going to really want to bundle up out there. And then we only warm up to 49 for our high tomorrow. Even though the snow ends by 9 a.m., the rain showers end probably around 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and then the sun comes out. There's going to be a lot of clouds for much of the day, so that's why we only get up to 49 degrees, and that wind chill is still going to be a factor throughout the day. The winds die down, though, as we get in the evening hours. And so though we start at 38 early Saturday morning, it's not going to feel as cold as tomorrow morning will, just because those winds are going to be a lot lighter. We get up to the mid-60s on Saturday, but a lot of sun. A breezy day still, so still kind of a chilly day, but not as bad as, of course, today or tomorrow. And then improvement continues if you're looking for that warmer weather. Low 40s to start Sunday morning, but upper 60s Sunday afternoon, and the warm-up continues. Low 40s to mid-40s still all the way through next Wednesday. That's a little bit below normal. Those high temperatures in the low 70s, that's actually right about normal for this time of year in the valley. So just a couple more days to get through before that nicer weather arrives. Gabby?